Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to quickly show you some hidden options and a hidden menu in your Corsa VXR. Now not a lot of people know this, but it's got certain features in which I'll explain, which you guys might find handy, like a digital RPM, so, and also coolant temps is in there as well. So yeah, I'll get straight to it. Okay, so you'll have to bear with me guys, as I've only got one pair of hands and I do need to use two, so I'll try as quick as I can. So first off, put your key in the ignition. Don't have to turn it, leave it where it is. Then you need to hold both of your sticks forward, so this one and this one. Pull them forward till you hear a beep. Just there. And as you can see now, we've got P1, and I've got that on. P1 means welcome light, so basically when you press your key, all the lights come on your car. So when you unlock it, your headlights come on, your brake lights. You use your right stick to do on and off. So obviously I have that one on. Then you do the left one to cycle through them. So P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. So I'm going to let that clock off, and I'm going to show you exactly what they mean, or let you know what they mean. So P2 is auto wipe when you select reverse, so that will automatically put your wiper in reverse for you. P3 allows 3 flashes, so when you're indicating, you can flick your indicator up slightly, and it will allow 3 flashes, basically for quick changing lanes, like when you're on a motorway. P4. It auto locks your doors when you go automatically above 10 miles per hour, so you will hear that effect. P5 is selective locking, so when you press your one key to open your doors once, it will only open your driver's door, not all your doors. P6 is speed limiter warning, so you can set it to flash at you or beep at you when you say enter 30 mile an hour or 35 mile an hour above. P7 is indicator volume. That adjusts the sound of obviously the ticking that you have when you turn on your indicator. Once your settings are selected, make sure you hold both sticks forward again to save what you have selected. Okay, so the second thing you guys might find interesting is obviously the other option. So you want to turn your key into the second slot, so your electrics come on. You want to press your button 1, 2, 3, and then 4th time you want to hold it down. Keep it held down until you see the buttons change. Now some of these things on here, I'm not sure what they mean. So I know this one is the date of fabrication. So this was done on the 26th of the 7th, 13, but it's a 14 plate. Date of version software is the next one. I'm not entirely sure what that one is. The 4th is speedometer, so that shows your RPMs. If I were to turn this on now, as you can see there, RPMs are going up, etc. So if I give it a little rev, as you can see there, you'll have to just mind the beeping because my boot is open. So yeah, that's for that. This is your battery, so how much power your battery has. 6.8 is onboard lighting, not sure what that is. B is engine temperature, so it's on 100 at the minute. This is to do with not sure. Again, this is to do with miles since last inspection, or miles since date, or something like that. Again, I'm not sure. So some of these options you might find interesting, some of you might not. So I just thought again I'd show you guys that.